Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to order Icai study material online for foundation courses. First, navigate to the official Icai website and find the Student Services section. Look for the Board of Studies Knowledge Portal link, which is your gateway to study resources. You'll need to either register for a new account or log in if you already have one. This ensures your order is linked to your student profile. Make sure your details are accurate before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll see various course options. Select the Foundation course to access the relevant study materials. Browse through the available kits and add the complete set of study material to your shopping cart. It's crucial to double-check that you've selected the correct course and that all necessary items are included. Confirm the quantities before moving to the next step. After confirming your selections, proceed to the Secure Payment Gateway. You'll have several payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, or net banking. Choose the method that works best for you and complete the transaction. Once successful, you will receive an order confirmation. It's very important to save this confirmation number. It will be essential for tracking your order and any future inquiries. Your study material should arrive within approximately 15 to 20 business days after your order is confirmed. You'll typically receive tracking information via email or within your portal account, allowing you to monitor your shipment's progress. If you have any issues, contact Icai support with your order number. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help keep you organized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.